Guess who's going to the ER? Our appetizer came. This is a karage. Guys, it's currently 10 p.m. and I'm so hungry. I was gonna eat Kelly on the way here. But luckily, she found a closed place as a second alternative because I wanted this sandwich shop, but the line was like 40 minutes. We almost committed to that one, and then Kelly was missing a limb.
She asked me to pick a limb that I wanted to keep.
Now we're at a Silver place, so I'm so excited. I need some hot sauce. Our food just came. Wow, the chicken is so juicy, you guys. Hey guys, guess where we are? We're at Don Quixote. We currently have a little haul. We just kind of grabbed some bits and pieces to try out before we go ahead and purchase more.
3 hours later.
Hey guys, it is currently 1 o'clock and we just came back from Don Quixote. We got 3 baggies worth of stuff. It is insane. We have makeup, skincare, drinks, food, snacks, everything. Good morning. This is day 1 and look at our outfit. So we're going to TeamLabs today. So cute. Capybara. We're currently walking over to get breakfast and it's so beautiful out today. Guys, the breakfast hall is so cool. It's kind of like a buffet style, so you get 9 dishes that you can pick out, and you also get refills of. It's so cool. I kind of got a mixture of things to try out, and of course, I have to do a miso soup. It's my favorite. Kelly is currently getting eggs on her rice. Let's try this pork. We went for round 2 and just got our refills. We also got another shabu shabu refill. We are currently at Ondays, which is like a eyeglass store, and these are the pairs that I picked out. They're slightly smaller than the ones I already have. They're a little bit of a different shape, like it's not completely round. It's kind of like hexagonal. I think that suits my face pretty well.
Starting vision check.
No way! Oh, it's warm. I don't know if I like that. Oh, it's getting deep. Oh, so they weren't lying when they said knee deep. Wait, can I touch? We finished up with TeamLabs and now we're currently on our way to our nail appointment. Our first Family Mart adventure. I got a spicy cod roll and mayonnaise. First bite, bestie. Currently we're walking to our nail appointment. Looks pretty good. Also got a ham, egg, and cheese sandwich to share. Love the buns. It's so soft. Is it in this building? Guys, I finished my nails and look at how cute. I just picked up the glasses and I think they're so cute. They're really similar to the ones I already have, but there is a slight like slope right here, so it's not exactly rounded like my old pair. I am currently at the drugstore looking for like eye wash because my eye is so painful right now. It's so red and like puffy, and my nasal drip is so bad on like my left side because of how painful it is. It's just not a fun time. So hoping some eye wash will actually help me out because this is crazy.
3 hours later.
Guess who's going to the ER? Yeah, I don't think my eye has gotten better. I literally can't even keep them open because it hurts so much. Literally, it's so bad. My eye keeps getting
part of our adventure.
Not a fun start to the trip, guys. Literally day 1. And I'm crying out of one eye and leaking from one nostril. Pain level was like an 8 out of 10. Like, it's pretty damn bad.
That's what I'm saying. I'm like, she's like 8 out of 10. I don't even mishear that.
I didn't want to cry in public because like it's already so bad.
But that's the thing. Like, if it's an 8 out of 10, that means someone punched you in the face.
Like somebody is constantly fiddling with your eyeball. Like, I don't know how to describe it.
No, like to me, it's 8 out of 10 if somebody punched you in the eye.
But I got hit in the face with a softball once. And that, I think the pain was like 6. Because that, at least that's like a 1 pang of pain. And this is like every 5 minutes I get a wave of pain. I have a question. Do you know which emergency room has English speakers? Yeah, like any emergency rooms? Good morning. My eye is feeling a lot better now, but it's still slightly swollen as you can tell. We're on our way to the fish market. It's our first rainy day, so we have massive umbrellas. I think I enjoyed the crab more than that. Is it curry inside?
For 5,000? Yeah, 2.
T-shirt or sweater. They don't have a sweater, but they do have a t-shirt.
Hours later.
This is our first 7-Eleven meal.
So what was the highlight of your day?
I would still say the perfumes. I think that was a really nice experience. I've never had anything like that. I wanted to do olfactory in New York, but that shit's like overpriced.
It's very overwhelming.
Oh yeah.
I think the scents itself were already developed, and then
they just slapped their own name on it.
Yeah, so like it was confusing what notes the scent was giving. So, like, I actually think I picked Purple Woods, but what is Purple Woods? I don't know. When I
Purple
smelled
Woods
it,
is not yam. That's purple root. Morning we went to the fish market, and then we went to.
I think that was my highlight.
Fish market. Lots of surprises today. We also found ABC Mart, which is like a shoe store. I didn't plan on going there. I really wanted to go to like Alpen, which had, you know, Nike, New Balances, H6 and everything. But we stumbled upon it and I picked up a new pair of New Balances. I'm super excited to wear them. They were like about $30 something cheaper than the States. Insane. And then Kelly picked up a pair of Tigers today. Yeah, so after perfume, we went shopping a bit. Went to Ready Melville, got the Tokyo t-shirt. Before we left, we also went to Pandora. Kelly got her Japan exclusive charm and this little bracelet. I don't know what it's called. Dora.
Man, I don't. The lady like tried 3 times and it was just not working.
It was 4 times.
Hold on, let's see.
There you go.
There you go.
That one.
Yeah.
Super cute. Yeah, the lady had no idea what we were talking about, so it took her 4 tries to get the right one.
I tried. She goes, hi, and then she walks away, grabs something, she comes back, and it's just, I was like, okay, let's try this again. Red, and then she grabs me a red envelope, and then I said doll, and then she grabs me like
the actual doll.
I don't know if it was a geisha or a doll.
Geisha.
I don't know. She grabbed me like a, like, you know that red.
The Tory Gate.
She grabbed me that.
You know what's so weird though? The first time she said that name correctly and she grabbed the Tory Gate. I was so confused.
I don't know why you let me buy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things to eat for dinner.
You want a variety.
This is like overkill.
After sneaker shopping, we went to the Otter Cafe. We almost missed it. Kelly like clutch last minute because we were gonna go hop on a train to come back to Ginza to shop. We're halfway in the train station. Kelly's like, wait, isn't the Otter here? So we ran back. We also copped chocolate covered strawberries. Very good.
That was like one of her must-dos.
How would you rate Otters?
I felt bad for the Otters.
Right. They were so tired. Like we walked in and they would just split on the floor and nap. And then after Sea Otters, we're just even more shopping. Our first stop was GU. Went a little crazy. Not really, honestly. I bought one thing. Oh, you're right. Also got underwear because I'm running out. I only bought 7 pairs for 2.5 weeks here.
Yesterday she told me she had 4 pairs. Tell everyone about my weird habit. My 6 a.m. wake up.
Okay, I kind of have to thank you for that. We've been getting a lot done waking up at 6. I hear you. She has to crawl out of bed because she's sleeping against the wall. And I took the outside. So when she wakes up at 5:30, she has to like sneakily crawl across the bed. But yeah, that's why we were able to go to the fish market really early today. To beat the crowd. By the time we left, it was so crowded.
My highlight was definitely the fish market. Number 2, I would tie with Otter and the perfume. So impressed by this egg.
There you go.
So impressed.
So now tonight we have to repack our suitcases because we will be shipping all the big ones away and only keeping the carry-ons with us.